What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jello. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to trade supply and demand correctly, how to trade off the extreme zones, and this setup that I ended up catching yesterday, which was April 12th, sent it out to the team. We all caught it, we all ate, we had a great day. This was FOMC minutes. This was after CPI came out. This was around 1:30 p.m. Eastern time that we ended up catching it on the 5-minute. This was a trade beforehand. As you can see, I sent it out. Pretty much played out exactly how I wanted it to. I'll show you right here. Boom. This was a trade after. This was a trade before. Literally perfect. So let's break this down. But first, I want to show you how to trade supply and demand correctly. So let's move over here. Let me give you a quick little diagram to really show you how I personally trade supply and demand. So say we're trending up, right? We're breaking highs, we're breaking highs, we're making lows, we're making lows. What is the last major low? Right here. So we will mark this major low, okay? Right here. This is the last major low, this is the last major high. Now, say we get something like this, okay? What got broke? The last major low. Now, why do I consider this a major low? Because this was an impulsive move that ended up breaking the last major high right here. So now we have a new major high. And what happened? We made a low, we made a new lower high, and now we broke the major low right here. So now all we want to do is wait for price to come back up into the supply zone and this point of interest that ended up breaking this last major low. And we just want to ride it back down to either recent lows or previous day lows, previous week lows, or wherever. So here, or it could have been here, you know, wherever you want to target. And that's basically it. This is how to trade the correct supply zones. This is how to trade correct extreme zones within the market. You don't want to get caught up in the market, especially on the lower time frame. It's very easy to. So now let's go into this breakdown. I'm going to remove all the drawings for you, and we're basically just going to mark this up really quick. So 9:30, I will mark right here. We'll go back, we'll play it back. And what I saw coming onto the market was actually we had these equal highs right here get swept, okay? So equal highs got swept. That is what we consider liquidity. Okay, so all this liquidity got taken out because there are a lot of sellers within this area. So now all the sellers got taken out. We want price to really come back down to this area to take out these equal lows. So we'll mark this equal lows, and once again we consider that what? Liquidity. So liquidity, perfect. So now I didn't want to target this demand right here because CPI actually ended up reacting off of this demand right here. So, you know, once we have a demand or a point of interest that reacts with news, if price comes back down to that area, it's most likely going to take it out because it's all liquidity. All of these orders within this area, there's a ton of buyers, right? Ton of buyers, ton of imbalance. And not only that, but we also have equal lows sitting right below. So we don't want to take that zone. We want this zone to be broken first before we look for anything. So I did not take any trade within this area because there's no clear price action. Look for clear price action always. So let's delete this. And what happened was we had the major lows being broke. Cool. Now what? We wait. We wait for a nice high and low to be formed. Okay? So what happened was I saw this whole imbalance being fulfilled, just like so. And now what do we have? We have our major high, and we also have our major low. So where's our major high? Right here. Where's our major low? Right here. Because this high failed to break this high, so now is the last lower high, swing high, major high within the market, within this, you know, bearish leg down. And this is also the major break of structure right here. But now what we also have is this second major break structure sitting right here. So mark this up MBOS. Now all we want to do is bring our Fibonacci tool, bring it from the high to the low, and now we have our point of interest. So let's delete this because the imbalance already got mitigated and fulfilled. And now we want to pull our GAM box and our supply zone to really target the correct zone. Now cup view would have taken this zone, and that is invalid. Why? Because there is still imbalance within here, number one. Number two, there are equal highs right here, which we count as liquidity. And number three, the fib pull lines up within this major extreme zone. So don't ever take zones that aren't the extreme zone. Please save yourself. So now all we do is we bring our position to the 50% within this Fibonacci retracement tool. Golden levels. I brought my stop to this look right here to kind of let it breathe a little bit. And we targeted Monday's low, which was right here. So mark this up, let's drag this over a little bit. And this is our full TP for 6R. I sent this out once again. A lot of the team caught it, a lot of the team ate. And now we wait. Price just took out this fake supply zone. And also, as you can see, let me show you something. What do we have? We have retail trading off this support and resistance right here. You know, boom, 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 tons of taps. What happens? They all get stopped out. This previous supply, this fake supply right here that a lot of smart money traders are taking, also gets stopped out. And what happens? Price taps into our position, the correct and real position off the major extreme zone and the major supply zone right here, and simply just ride it back down to the lows down here. And that was that. That was the setup. That was the breakdown. That's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Instagram, mentorship, Discord in the description below. So once again, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.